Hello and welcome. In this video, I will introduce you to some key questions you need to ask before you begin any development. Before you do anything, you need some ideas. What should your website actually do? A website can do basically anything, but for your first try, you should keep things very simple. We'll start by creating a simple web page with a heading, an image, and a few paragraphs. To begin, you will need to answer these questions. What is your website about? Do you like pets? Do you like games? Do you like travel? And so on. What information are you presenting on the subject? Write a title and a few paragraphs and think of an image you would like to show on your page. What does your website look like? In simple high-level terms, what's the background color? What kind of font is appropriate? Formal, a cartoony looking font, bold and loud, subtle? These are some of the questions that you need to answer in order to help your planning stage.